Hi everyone, my name is Chelius for CreativePro, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can move pages from one PDF file into another PDF file in an efficient manner. Now I want to show you I have two PDF files open on my computer right now. One is called Surfing Single, and I'm just going to open the Pages panel to show you this. You can see that in the Surfing Single document I only have one page. But in the regular surfing document, I have 6 pages, okay? Now, the intent here is that I'd like to move pages from my surfing document into my surfing single document. Now, the easiest way that I've found to make this happen, there are a couple of approaches you can take, but the easiest way that I've found is to leverage the Organize Pages tool inside of Adobe Acrobat. Now to do this, I'm going to come up here to the All Tools menu. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then you may need to click on the View More link to see all of the tools that are available. And the one that I want to use is called Organize Pages, right? And so I'm going to choose that option. That's going to open up the Organize Pages tool here. And I'm actually going to go into that mode in both documents, right? So in the surfing document, again, All Tools, Organize Pages. And now I'm in this mode in both documents, okay? Now in the surfing document, what I want to do is I want to grab, I already have the first page, but I want to move the remaining 5 pages into the other document. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on page 2, and then if you hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on page 6, it's going to select pages 2 through 6 in this document. And if you watch closely, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on any of these selected images and I'm going to start dragging. Okay, so you can see that as I start dragging, it tells me that I've got 5 pages that are selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the tab for the Surfing Single document to make that document active, right? So as I drag this over that tab, see how now the Surfing Single document is active. Now I still have the mouse button held down and I'm still dragging here. And you can see that as I move my cursor, if I position my cursor here, it's going to put those 5 pages before page 1. And then if I move it over here, it's going to put those 5 pages after page 1. And so I'm going to position these after page 1. And if I let go of my cursor now to complete the copy, it's now going to copy those 5 pages that came from the surfing document into my surfing single document. And once you've completed that task, you can simply close the Organize Pages tool. And now you will be in the new document where you moved your pages. And now you can see in this document, I have all 6 pages that have been moved to that new document. So again, leveraging Organize Pages makes it really easy to move pages from one PDF file to another. And if you just pay attention to which document you're dragging to, I think you'll also find it really easy to leverage this tool to migrate pages from one document to another.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.